Today I built a WhatsApp group agent for daily AI news. That is very helpful for me, daily updated AI and also my WhatsApp AI community. You can also build that according your need, maybe trending news, crypto news. That video is very helpful for you. In this video, you also know that how you can automate your WhatsApp group, yeah, community. Let's get started that video. In this video, I will show the exact method how you can deploy your AI agent in the WhatsApp group. So basic purpose of the AI news driven automation built for the WhatsApp group. So you see that that is my agents and the AI news in the WhatsApp group messages. You see that that is the group. So in this video, completely explain and completely guide how you can set up the WhatsApp group and how you can set up the workflows. If you need that workflow, you just comment that and you just get that workflow file in my WhatsApp community. Here is the winner. I will give the free of cost that AI workflow file. So you can comment down below and also join my WhatsApp community. So let's get started. So first you see that that is with the AI news. So we go to the our AI agent for the anytime workflow. You see that that is with the workflow. First, that workflow is for the daily updater, like for the daily 7 a.m. Our clock. So they executed. Let's execute that task for the first messages. So let's get started. So you see that that is the AI agent getting the news on the RRS feed for the N10 blocks and OpenAI blocks, Anthropic blocks, that AI news for the AI automation purpose. So that AI agent analyze all the data. So we will step by step guide completely so you can how you can make a EP. First you need your timer trigger, and after that you need node the RRS feed and just paste that URL for the news RRS like OpenAI, because that RRS dot XML you get the latest news on here. So I go to here, I paste here. You see that that OpenAI, all the news are come here like 17 July and 21 July to daily updates. So we just collect today daily updates. So in the OpenAI, just one news. So I go to the here and you see that today all the news. If that news is today news, so that grab that today news and send to the AI agent. Similar as the Anthropic, similar as the Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a AI model provider also that anytime, and AI agent automations news come here also. The long chain blocks and anytime blocks. You see that the anytime blocks speed. So I just copy that and that get all the XML data and send to the AI agent with the clean format like Markdown format, and that agent analyze the all the data and they give the message in your WhatsApp group what's today biggest updates so in the agent. So we again go to the here. See that today is 15 news I collect, and the N10 see that today is be the latest news for the N10. They get that because today is not any kind of news, because that news is the 16 July. If that news is 21 July, they get that and send to the AI agent. So the RRS feed GitHub trending repo, they also getting the GitHub trending. If any GitHub repo trending repo in today time, so they get that and send to the AI agent also. Uh, they are three different nodes, but they are not useful for in my case. So in this video, I am not use it because I deactivate that. You can also use that. That is with the hacker news API. You can also use that. That is with the free of course text queries and uh, queries AI about and send the data. You can also according your if you are group like tradings and XYZ crypto and XYZ, you can also use that. also enable that and activate that nodes. Newsdata.io, producthunt.io is with the free API, so I use that. That is with the SERP API. SERP API is basically paid API, so we get that. And that is with Query if the all the news for today time they get that and send to the AI agent, and then AI agent today news analyze and give the best message in your WhatsApp community. Yeah, WhatsApp group. So that is also the similar is the Tably API. Tably API getting the news and send to the AI, and also Tably and also Reddit API. If you use a Reddit API, you can also enable that. But in my case, that is not useful. So you can also enable that. So now the 153 items comes according to news today's according AI, and that AI analyze that all the data and send to the clean format AI news. And after the AI analyze that, summarize, and with the help of the Cloud, yeah, Gemini and Anthropic, I use models. So here the 20 messages I received that and I summarized that, Hugging Face, discussion end to end, and after that I call to actions and emojis and send to the WhatsApp message. So here's is the WhatsApp, so let's check that out. So first I pinned that all the workflows. So first I pinned them. Let's pin that out, and now everything says pin. So now we execute the task and 30 seconds timer, and let's they get that 20 news today latest. You can also time select like 1 horse, yeah, maybe 30 minutes, but in this case, I use the 30 seconds. So my server connections, let's check that out. So again, now my internet connection is done. So again, we executed and go to the WhatsApp community group. And you see that today's news is come Hugging Face, disclose end-to-end cyber attacks, and automation AI agent. Categorize AI agent, that is the link of the news. You see that Hugging Face AI community building the future. So you can also that is very useful for my WhatsApp community. You can also join my WhatsApp community that is freely. Here you get the resources, documentation, and updates. So you see that AI agent is replying. So in the groups. So how you can connect that WhatsApp group? So the next task is our. So you see that is with the our code node and XYZ and the timer. So now we stopped at the 20 items. Let's mean the 20 messages sent in the WhatsApp group. So now we stop that and go to the evolution API. You see that is with the evolution API node. So here I select my account and copy my credential and paste here and select the type of the message, send a text message here. That is my WhatsApp group ID. But where you get that WhatsApp group ID, and that is with the message of your input JSON come, that is with your message, and delay timer like 5 seconds of delay message. So link preview is off, and where you get that. So the go to the evolution API, that is with the evolution API dashboard. Where you get that evolution API in my previous video also guide about the evolution API, how you can create a evolution API account and how you get it. That is my WhatsApp ID, and you go to the chat and go to the group and go to the digits here. That is my WhatsApp group ID, like that is ag.us. That is copy and paste in the evolution API node in the intent, and go to the setting and also in of that ignore group and save that, and also go to the webhook and enable. You can also enable that, but you can receive a message, but in this time that webhooks is not for help any kind. So just copy that how you get that credential in my previous video also talk about how you can get the credentials of the evolution API. So you can easily get that. So you see that the WhatsApp group messages come like two, and after that off. If you need that workflow, you can join my WhatsApp community and comment down below. If the winner, you get that, and if you need that, also comment me, and I will give the free of cost. So also, so take care. Goodbye.